Can you believe what you just saw? A wicked man tried to harm a poor abandoned dog on the street, but a brave little boy came to the rescue and saved the dog from the evil man. The boy took the dog to a groomer where they cleaned him up and gave him the care he needed. What they didn't know was that this dog is a hero. The dog had just escaped from a raging fire, covered in ash, after he saved a baby from the flames. It's a moment the boy will never forget, and neither will the people who witnessed his kindness. Do you think the boy's kindness will inspire others? Subscribe and comment down your opinion.